Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make nougat for Snickers. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Combine these in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until the syrup reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for the nougat's texture. While your sugar syrup is heating, separate 2 large egg whites and whip them in a stand mixer until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Once the syrup reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully and slowly pour it in a thin stream into the whipping egg whites. Continue beating the mixture on high speed for 5 to 7 minutes. The nougat will transform into a thick, fluffy, and glossy marshmallow-like consistency, cooling down significantly during this process. Now for the signature Snickers crunch. Gently fold in 1 cup of roasted, unsalted peanuts into your thick nougat mixture. Be careful not to deflate the airy texture you've worked hard to achieve. Once combined, press the nougat evenly into an 8 by 8-inch pan lined with parchment paper. Use a second piece of parchment paper on top to help you flatten it smoothly and uniformly. Aim for a thickness of about 1 inch across the entire pan. Patience is key for the final step. Let your nougat cool completely at room temperature for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it is firm enough to handle. Once set, carefully lift the nougat from the pan using the parchment paper. Now, you can cut it into your desired bar shapes, typically 1 inch by 3 inches, perfect for your homemade Snickers. Store any unused nougat in an airtight container to maintain its freshness and soft texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.